Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to super clean your car or truck, the ultimate step-by-step guide to deep cleaning your paint so it looks brand new with a long-lasting mirror-like shine. This process works on any vehicle, and it is the same one I use to keep my 1996 Corvette S original paint looking show-ready. I've even won trophies using this exact method. But instead of the Corvette, today, I'll be restoring the Drift Stang, which is covered in watermarks, dirt, and dull paint. Before we start, I want you to see the before and after results so you know how well this works. What you'll need and preparation. Basic wash buckets, 2-bucket method. Microfiber towels and mitts. Clay bar. Soap, dish soap for stripping, or car wash soap for regular cleaning. Foam cannon or foam gun, optional. Paint correction products, sandpaper, polish, applicators, sealant or wax. Always remove jewelry, wear soft clothes without zippers or belts, and park in the shade on a cool surface to avoid water spots. Never use old t-shirts, brushes, or paper towels. They scratch paint. Use only microfiber, and always remove tags first. Step 1. Touchless wash. Start by rinsing the car thoroughly from top to bottom to remove loose dirt without touching the paint. Power washer. Use a wide spray pattern, stay at least 12 inches away. No power washer? A regular hose works fine. Then, use a foam cannon or foam gun filled with dish soap and water to strip away old wax and grease. Let the foam sit for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Step 2. Touch wash. Use the 2-bucket method. Rinse bucket with grit guard. Soap bucket. Start from the top, wash in straight lines, not circles. Rinse your mitt often, and clean door jambs, gas cap area, and other often missed spots. Never let the mitt touch the ground. Rinse the whole car when done. Step 3. Clay bar treatment. Check your paint. If it feels rough, it needs claying. Spray soapy water as lubricant. Rub clay bar gently in straight lines. Fold clay to reveal a clean surface as it gets dirty. This pulls out embedded contaminants that washing can't remove. After claying the entire car, give it a quick rinse and dry. Step 4. Drying. Use a microfiber drying towel, working top to bottom in straight lines without pressing hard. Avoid drying chamois or silicone squeegees, which can trap dirt and cause scratches. Step 5. Paint correction, if needed. Inspect the paint for scratches. If scratches disappear when wet, they're in the clear coat and can be fixed. Wet sand deeper scratches, 3,000 then 5,000 grit. Polish and wipe clean. For swirl marks or light fading, use a polish with a foam applicator. Massage in circles, then buff in straight lines. Important: do not polish as routine maintenance. Only polish when correcting damaged paint, as it removes a thin layer of clear coat. Step 6. Seal the paint. Apply a thin, even layer of sealant or wax using an applicator pad. Work 2 panels at a time. Avoid getting it on black trim, it turns white. Let it haze, 5 to 10 minutes depending on product, then buff off with a microfiber towel. Finish with a clean buffing towel to remove any residue. Use a detailing brush to clean wax out of badges, vents, or tight areas. Results in maintenance. Look at that shine. The paint is deep, glossy, and protected. To maintain this finish, wash with soaps that don T-strip wax and keep your car clean regularly. You won. Need to redo the full process unless the paint becomes contaminated again. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips. All products used are linked in the description so you can get the same results at home.